I couldn't even fall asleep. There was so much on my mind, searching for that peace, the peace I could not find. Then I kneeled down to pray, praying, help me please. He said, you don't have to cry, 'cause I'll supply your needs. Soon as I stop wondering, worrying how the story ends, I let go and I let God. I let God have his way. That's when things start happening. Then I stop looking at back then. I let go and I let God. I let God have his way. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. My sister, you gotta let go and let God. My brother, let go and let God. Let go and let God. Oh, he can handle it all by himself. Just let God. He don't need your help. Just let God. Just let go and let God have his way.